Welcome to the world of supervised machine learning process. Are you ready to embark on a captivating journey into the heart of artificial intelligence? Get ready to unravel the mysteries of data, algorithms, and predictions as we dive into the realm of supervised machine learning. Imagine having the power to predict future outcomes, classify unseen data, and even forecast trends with remarkable accuracy. This is exactly what supervised machine learning offers, a window into the future through the lens of data science. So, in this captivating YouTube course, we are about to demystify the intricate process of supervised machine learning, whether it's predicting housing prices or determining customer preferences or finding out or forecasting the stock prices or predicting the fuel efficiency of the your automobile engine or predicting the part life of automobile component. So I'll guide you through every step of the way. I will handhold you. So, we will delve into the fascinating world of regression tasks where we will teach machines how to predict numerical values based on the patterns in the data, from stock market trends to weather forecasts, from fuel efficiency of the vehicle to the life of the component. So, that's what is a supervised machine learning process, and I welcome you, my friend. So this is the overall AI course roadmap. So we have begun with the intuitive AI verse for use. There we understood the overall ecosystem of AI. That's just an introduction to AI, then ecosystem, and then now we will be moving on to the next course. It's intuitive supervised machine learning process for you. This is absolutely understanding the supervised machine learning process. That's it, nothing much. Then we will get into the regression tasks, classification task algorithm, unsupervised algorithm in machine learning. Okay, so that's what is in the pipeline for us. So this is what we'll be seeing. So now let's understand what we'll be seeing now. So we have machine learning classification based on types of learning. So basically you have deep learning and artificial intelligence. There are two types of learning. There are more, but let's take two types majorly. One is machine learning, other one is deep learning. So machine learning is purely based on the mathematical aspect, and deep learning is based out of the neurons. It's a neural network. There are a lot of differences between both. I have explained these things in detail in intuitive AI verse for you. In that course, I have explained what are the exact differences between ML and DL. Of course, because of their architecture is different, their requirement is different, their output is different, what they can do is different, the possibility is different. So that's the reason we will deal them differently. So first what we'll be dealing is intuitive machine learning for you. First we'll understand machine learning. Then after that only we will go for the deep learning. Clear? So in the machine learning, so machine learning can be executed based on three types of learning. So the machine can learn in three ways: either a supervised learning under the supervision, or unsupervised without any supervision, or with the reinforcement, giving the reward and punishment technique. So at this moment we are only constrained, and we will be only focusing on supervised machine learning, where the machine learns with the supervision of algorithm. Okay, so that's what we'll be seeing in supervised learning. We'll begin with a regression task. In supervised, with using the supervised learning type, we can execute we can do various tasks. One is regression task, other one is uh, our classification task, and the third one is time series prediction task. So first we will see the regression task. So first we will delve into the fascinating world of regression tasks, where we will teach machines how to predict numbers, values based on the patterns in the data, from fuel efficiency to the stock market price. Okay, with weather forecasts, the possibilities are limitless. Then After that, we will be getting into the classification task. Of course, you can, using the supervised learning type, we can also execute classification tasks. Classification tasks will be our next stop, where we will explore the art of categorizing data into distinct groups, from spam detection to medical diagnosis. You will witness how machines make incredibly accurate decisions. And hold on tight for the time series prediction tasks next. Hold on tight for the time series prediction tasks, where we will unlock the secrets of predicting future values based on the past trends. So imagine predicting sales, stock prices, and even social media trends. So the crystal ball is now in your hands. But this journey isn't just about the destination, it is about the adventure of discovery through hands on examples, real world applications, and interactive animations. You will not only grasp the concepts but also witness them in action. You will also witness the power of supervised machine learning using regression, classification, and decision prediction, time series prediction task. So, whether you're curious beginner or a seasoned data enthusiast, this YouTube course is your key to mastering supervised machine learning process. So, buckle up for an expedition filled with insight, empowerment, and thrill of watching machines transform data into foresight. Get ready to step into the future with supervised machine learning, so your next prediction could change the world. And it all begins right here in my YouTube channel, Intuitive Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence with Surya Charan Teja, for you.